Hi guys, welcome back to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the fifth day, the fifth POTD of Lead Code Challenge. So let's start. So this question is, we have to count the number of matches in the tournament. In the question, we are given n integers and these integers represent the number of teams in the tournament. It has a strange rule that if the current number of teams is even, each team gets paired up with another team. Okay. If the current number is odd, one team randomly advances to the tournament and the rest get paired up. Okay. So we have to return the number of matches played in the tournament until a winner is decided. Okay. So you can see in case of when number of team is 7, first round total number of teams are 7. So the matches that would be played is 3 because we can see that 7 by 2 that is equal to 3 because we have to take the integer part. And 4 team advances, right? 3 teams are played, 4 team will advance, then 4. Then 4 teams will play, and in 4 teams, when you divide by 2, why we're dividing by 2? Because there are 4 teams, means they will be paired up, means 2 matches will be played, right? So I have to play 2 matches and 2 team advances. Similarly, when teams are 2, matches 1, and 1 team is declared the winner, last team. The total number of matches, that is 3 plus 2 plus 1, you can see it's 6. In this case also, you can see when the input is 14, that is when the number of teams of 14 that's even, you get an n minus 1 as output because an n minus 1 number of matches would be played, right? Because the last team will be declared the winner. So the code is going to be pretty simple. What we have to do is it's okay. So we will simply return n minus 1 because we know n minus 1 teams, n minus 1 matches will be played if there are n number of teams. Because of this strange rule, this is the code we are going to get. I would like to submit it, and you can see that it has worked and it has worked pretty well. So this was pretty much this question. So if this video was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to This is Anita YouTube channel. With this, bye.